Thank you all for the tremendous response for the summer coolers. Today I want to show you another one, pomegranate milkshake. Hi, I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Welcome to SBL Kitchen. I will first crush the pomegranate seed. To this, I'm going to add 2 spoons of sugar, or according to your taste buds. I will strain this. To this, I have frozen the milk and kept so that it gives a good texture in the milkshake. You can even add the chilled milk, but this gives a very good texture to the milkshake. I'm going to add in little milk. With this, I'm going to add in some ice cream. I have taken vanilla ice cream, which gives the creamy texture to the milkshake and the taste too. You can even add any of the flavors which you want to. Now I'm going to pour into the glasses. I'm going to take a scoop of ice cream. On top of it, and few pomegranate seeds on the top. Our pomegranate milkshake ready to drink.